Okay, so here's some principles of marketing. I'm going to go through some myths, and then I'm going to tell you what works. Okay, razzle-dazzle marketing. It's tiresome. It's everywhere. If people don't listen to razzle-dazzle marketing, if we have unconscious defenses against marketing, so by the time you got here today, how many advertisements do you think you were exposed to by the time you got here? I don't even know. I don't have a statistic, but I'm going to guess over 100 at least, probably 200. And if you listen to them, if you didn't have defenses in place, you would be broke right now. Okay. So we have defenses, right? We all think we're impervious to marketing. I got to tell you, you're not impervious to marketing. Just certain people know how to break through your defenses and other people don't. Nobody wants to sound like a salesman. Nobody likes that. The emphasis in most marketing and legal marketing is to impress people with your credentials. Wrong, very wrong, boring, very boring, very typical and very boring. And to focus on how great you are. Your clients don't care how great you are. They only care if you can solve their problem. Oh, and use lots of jargon to show how smart you are. I used to do this. I used to use a lot of jargon. I wanted to sound smart. It was bad marketing. I'm trying to find my slide here. 1 second. Okay, so we're going to go backward. Jargon. Anybody know why jargon's bad? Anybody? Okay, so the plumber comes to your house and starts talking about U-pipes and all these other things. Do you care? Do you care? Exactly. Can you solve my problem, right? Okay. A client comes to you or is thinking it comes to you and you start just throwing around all these legal terms. Do they care? What do you think? Do you think they care? No, they don't care. What do they want to know? What do they want to know? The solution. Yeah. They're in pain. Okay? They're in pain. They want to know if you can help them. Do you have their back? Do you have them covered? Can they relax? Okay? A lot of times people use jargon as a one-upping maneuver, and it's disgusting. I'm smarter than you. Trust me, you're not smarter than anybody because you have legal jargon. Because they have jargon that you don't understand. Okay? It also says, get on my track. This is where my head is at. This is my world. Get on my track. Why? Why do they have to get on your track? They're paying you. Get on their track. Get on their track. Okay? If you use a legal phrase, explain it immediately. That just means blah, blah, blah. Okay? So you're not putting someone down and talking. It's not dumbing it down. Because, if a plumber comes to your house, you may feel kind of stupid. It's not that. It's just a different language. Every field has their own language. You need to reach your clients. You need to reach them. It's your job to reach them. It's not their job to reach you. Okay? So that means tuning into their hearts and their minds. And bad marketing doesn't do this. Bad marketing is all about, me, I'm great. Hire me, I'm so great. Okay? Really bad marketing gets this, but they exploit it. They tune into a client psychologically and then say, buy my widget, it's going to solve your problems. And people buy it, and it's not going to solve their problems. Well, let's assume that your law is for real, it's good, it's authentic, you're really helping people. I want you to use marketing to get clients. Good marketing is clear and concise. It focuses on your client, right? Not you. This is some details I've taken from websites. Okay, I'm a client. I'm in pain, okay? Let's say my parent may have been abused in a nursing home, okay? Do I want to hear all this? What do you think? I think my mother's being abused in a nursing home. Do I want to read all this? No. No, what is this? I don't even know what this means, okay? I think this was on the home page of a website. I took out the identifying information. Oh, yeah, it's about this attorney. Okay, this attorney is so great. Okay, you haven't said anything about me. Okay, I'm your client. I'm in pain. This is what I care about. Okay, Gary uses acronyms a lot. This is a very common marketing acronym. Anybody ever heard this? What's in it for me? That's all your clients care about. What's in it for me? So I'm glad you have a lot of experience in Minnesota nursing home cases, but what's in it for me and my mom? Okay, what's in it, what is it about for me? So when you start talking to people, now those of you who are working for firms and you're saying, what does this matter? I don't do any marketing in my firm. You will, when you get higher in the firm, you'll have say in the marketing, I hope. And when you have, if you want to go into your own practice, you will. This is not just entertainment or not just getting it. This is important. You got to know this stuff. And when you're casually conversing with clients, people at parties, and you want to let people understand what you do, you've got to change your language so they really get you. Okay, you've got to show an understanding of your clients. And when you speak in language that talks to the benefits that people get. So, next time you go to a party and people say, how are you doing? Don't say, fine, I'm working hard and I'm busy, right? Everyone says that, right? Yeah, I'm fine, I'm working hard and I'm busy. Oh my gosh, isn't that boring? Yeah, so what? I'm good because I'm busy. Be happy, be proud of me. I'm busy. Who cares if you're busy? Tell me what you're passionate about, okay? Ask a person about their week. Ask them what's really important. What'd you do this week that you love? What's your favorite day at work? Ask them really about them. What are you passionate about? And don't say it like that, because that's corny, okay? What's a good day for you? You know, what do you like to do the most at your job? And when they ask you, tell them. Tell them about your work. And of course, you have to use confidential language. So, don't use people's names and don't use any information that could be identifying. Okay, like the young woman before, she was very careful not to give any identifying information. You might guess who the person is. But show that the benefits of the work, that you help this client, and because of that, they can do what? Okay, I didn't just win a case. Because of that, I made a difference in their life.